Today we're going to look at how to download VLC Media Player. So if you search VLC Media Player in Google, it should come up with a videoland.org website at the top. And if you click on that link, it'll take you straight to the website. And smack bang in the middle here, it says download VLC. So if we click on that button, it will automatically select the version for your operating system and for whether it's 32-bit or 62-bit. Most will be 64-bit. Most will be 64-bit these days. And the download itself is relatively small, coming in at 41.5 megabytes. So not too much. Once it's downloaded, if you click on it and then press yes on user access control, OK for English, and then it will guide you through setting up VLC Media Player, which can be used to play all different types of media using the additional codecs, which are easy to download. If we click next, it's released under GNU public license, which you can read in full, and then press next. And the media player is the required part. If you want the start menu shortcut and desktop shortcut, you can tick and untick these. We're going to unselect the desktop shortcut. And web plugins allow it to be used in other software, so Mozilla plugin in Firefox, for example, and ActiveX plugin. And also it allows you to automatically associate certain file types with it. You can untick these if you want to keep the associations with the current programs that they are. And context menus will add some items to the menu when you right click to allow you to, for example, to play in VLC Media Player if you right click on any media files, videos. So the space required is 174.0 megabytes, and once we click next on there, the destination folder by default is in Program Files, Videoland VLC, which is absolutely fine for what we need it for. And then once we click install, we can show the details. It goes about extracting the different plugins and installing the actual application itself, which is really fast to do. Once the installation is complete, we can leave Run VLC Media Player ticked and press Finish. And then it will ask us some questions about allowing metadata access, which, for example, if you start playing music, will download album covers, for example. But it doesn't collect personal data or transmit it, and you can also get to regularly check for VLC updates. Recommended that both of those are left ticked. Once you press continue, VLC Media Player is ready to go. Works very similar to Windows Media Player, but it's a stripped down interface and also supports a lot of different formats, including MKV. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos, and don't forget to like if it helped you out. We'll see you shortly. Bye.